Let's continue our journey with these special characters and symbols and equations. So this part, we're going to go to the insert and we're going to see special characters and equation. So these two are very important for making the documents look amazing and very useful. So special characters are the characters that you can't type them directly, but you can insert them from here. So let's do an example. I'm going to go and enter at the bottom between these paragraph and insert special characters. And right now you can see we have tons of category of each, starting with symbol, emoji, punctuations to many like hand other. So you can see that. For example, you can go with emoji, okay, and you have tons of emojis there. And you can decide on the categories that you want, like weather and sense and zodiac signs or enclosed marks, symbols, anything. And then you can pick up and then you'll have its category, and that's amazing. And also you can search the keyword. For example, you can say smile, and of course it does bring you a smile, and you can see right now there's a smile and it's code. And of course you can see this cat smile. This cat is smiling as well. Cat's face with WRY, worry, smile. Okay, this is not what I wanted. Or we can say happy, and then we'll have lots of pages. Okay, for now it doesn't bring too much good enough. Also, you can just draw a symbol. Okay, I'm gonna click in here, for example, and click in here, and then you can see right now it brings tons of things for me. White frown face, frowning face, white frowning face. No, they both white smiling face. Okay, that was it. And we have tons of them right over here, and that's fantastic. So that is about special characters. And if you want to access the emoji directly from your Windows or for something else, so you can also hit start and then V, or sorry, I'm gonna click on again a Win key and C, and then you'll have like that. Sorry, again, we're gonna click on Win key and then we're gonna click on dot. So when you click on dot, and then you will have like that. Sometimes I confuse because there are too many shortcuts. So we're gonna click again, and you type, for example, a smile, and then you'll have like those there's available. So that's about these special characters that you can make them available right over there. We have also equations, which are very nice to talk about these days. Okay, in equations you can insert lots of the mathematic things, and these and those are fantastic. So you can click in here, and if you can decide on the symbols and equations and all of that, that's available for you right over here. Okay, that's fantastic about special characters and also equations. Talk about header and footer next time.